Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got another beautiful vintage Coach bag to share with you. This is the Pulley bag, and this is actually a pre-creed bag, meaning that it was made prior to when Coach started using creeds in bags. So it's got just a little Coach cartouche stamp, which I'll show you in a moment here. But just some background on this bag. I think it was likely made in the 70s, but I'm not 100% sure about what year. But like I mentioned, it's called the Pulley bag, and I also wasn't able to find a style number for this one, so I'm not sure if it had a style number, but not one that I could find anyway. And as you can see, the color is black, so I'll go ahead and show you the bag now. So as you can see, it's a small flap bag with a shoulder strap. Here's what the strap looks like. It's got this little shoulder patch right here, or shoulder pad. And it's got a double strap, and it does have a hang tag. It's got the older style of hang tag. So here's a close-up. So you can see it says Coach Leatherwear, and it's a one-sided hang tag. And it's also got the older style of brass chain. So here's what the front looks like. It's a flap closure. I've got it stuffed with paper to retain the shape. And then here's the side of the bag, the other side, and then here's the back. And then here's what the bottom of the bag looks like, so you can kind of see how wide the bag is. And now I will show you the inside. So here's the inside of the bag. This should give you kind of an idea of how large the interior is. I'd say it's like a smaller to medium sized bag. And it's got a little slip pocket back here in the back, and I'll try to show you the little Coach stamp now. It's right here, but it's really hard to pick up on camera, so I will insert a photo now. So here's what the Coach cartouche looks like, the little stamp. So anyway, that's the Pulley bag. I will link all of the information that I mentioned about the bag down below in the description bar, as well as the direct Etsy link if you wanted to look at the listing. The bag is available right now in our Etsy shop. And also please remember to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with our content. I try to post bag tours almost on a daily basis, so please feel free to subscribe if you want to stay connected to our channel. But otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.